Want to post a landscape video on Reels without it getting cropped or looking weird? Here's the updated method that actually works. Start with a landscape video, 16:9 aspect ratio. It could be 1920 by 1080 or even 4K. Just make sure it's not vertical. Open a video editor like CapCut, VN, or Canva. Start a new project in 9:16 vertical format and import your landscape clip. Center the video and fill the vertical space. You can use a blurred background, a solid color, or even text and branding. Export the final video in 9:16 format. Then open Instagram, go to Create Reel, and upload the edited version. If you upload a landscape video directly, Instagram auto-zooms and crops it, making it blurry or weirdly framed. Always edit before uploading. Use the empty top and bottom space to add captions, arrows, or emojis. It helps keep engagement high and fills the screen. That's how to upload landscape videos to Reels the right way. Like and follow for more smart content tricks that actually work.